Peter Bookvar, Chief Investment Officer at Bleakley Advisory Group. He's joining us by the phone. Peter, you say the Fed could deal a major punch in the face to investors that markets aren't ready for.
Well, the context of that is the Fed is trying to ease the effect of their rate hike cycle by being very transparent, telling us exactly what they're going to do in terms of the pace, trying to convince us that quantitative tightening is like watching paint dry. And I argue that regardless of how they tell us, regardless of how they do it, there's still a rise in the cost of capital. There's still a drain of liquidity. So the analogy that I gave is that if I gave you a month's notice that I'm going to punch you in the face, when I punch you in the face, it's still going to feel the same. It's still going to hurt. And I think that is the biggest risk to the market, is that they're really tightening twice. So the reduction in the size of their balance sheet, which is now running in a quarterly or an annualized pace, quarterly pace, I should say, at $90 billion, going up to $120 billion in a month and a half. At the same time, they'll likely raise 2 more times this year. So the rise in interest rates to me is very noteworthy, and in a very over-levered, credit-dependent economy, that is my main concern, because it's very rare that the Fed engineers soft landings, and I'm not a believer that they're going to do it again this time.
Are you a stock trader, options trader, or futures trader that is completely fed up of getting average, ordinary results? Are you ready for a breakthrough? If you are, take action now. Visit marketcrash.money. Click right here, how to profit. I will share the 5 core fundamentals that has helped me take $12,000 and turn it to $466,000 in less than 7 hours trading options. I know you think this is ridiculous. I know you think this is not real, but it is. I did it, and I want to share with you specifically what these 5 core fundamental principles are that help me set this personal record of mine. So if you're ready to go to the next level, take action and hit this big green button, how to profit, and make 2018 your most profitable year ever.